Hi there, I want to do a video on using a halftone pattern on a black and white image. To do this, I'm just going to start off by making my pattern, which I'm making a brush, which we've done before. So I've set up a document at 100 by 100 pixels. I'm just going to do something simple, so I'm just going to do, let's just unlock this. Black splot like that, and then do a smaller white splot in the middle to give us kind of a donutty effect, just like the one I made earlier. And then I'm going to go edit, define pattern, and I'm going to call it donut 2. So we've got that saved. Now, to do the halftone effect, the way I'm going to do it, we need this to be a proper black and white image. So I'm going to go to adjustments, layer, black and white, and just dial it in to get a bit of contrast. If you remember, it's color related, so the reds do a lot because the face has pinks and reds in it, but the rest of these sliders won't really make a lot of changes. Right, so now I need to flatten image, so we've got a black and white image, and then I'm going to go to image mode, grayscale, and it says discard color information, and discard. Now we've got a proper black and white image with no color information, and then we're going to go image mode, bitmap. If we don't do this stage, bitmap is grayed out, and it says flatten layers. Right, and now we get this window up, which gives us output resolution, and we want to use custom pattern. Click on the custom pattern box. That's my new one. This is one I made earlier. Now, depending on the output resolution, will kind of define the size of the pattern we get. So it defaults to 150. Let's have a look, see how it looks. That's okay. They're quite big, but you can see the effect working. If we do Control Z to step back, and we go to image mode, bitmap again, click OK. Let's try 300, which is doubling the resolution. You see that has made my little donuts sizes half the size, which I'm quite liking. But we shall go a bit more. Image mode, bitmap, OK. 300. Let's try it at 600, just so we've got some comparison. And then you got much smaller donuts doing the image. Right, I'm wondering what we can do with this. And let's go image mode, grayscale, okay. Image mode, RGB color. Now we can use color on top of it, otherwise it won't let us do any color. Let's just try putting a gradient on it. And I've got my gradient set up to noise, which we've done before. Let's just drag a line over it, which gives us this kind of effect. Let's just change it to one which looks nice. Ooh, quite like pin light. Difference is nice. Subtract. Here it's a matter of pick your favorite one. You see, some of them are affecting the black areas, and some are affecting the white areas. Subtract is nice because it's working on the white areas, so I'll have some of that. And let's do hue saturation on top of that, and change the color of the hue. See if we can get like a all the way to the left. I'm liking that. Adds a bit of color and interest to it. Brilliant. We shall leave it there. Thank you for watching.